What the heck? What the heck? Ding, ding, ding. Please find me on ration. Breaking news. There was a high-speed chase at Detroit and Birmingham. Will real one at Detroit and will bad one at Birmingham. Name is Matthew Bleed. He's in a high-speed chase. He was acquitted for a lockdown. No one got killed. That's the good news. But he's up to 2 crimes of that. He stole a car and he robbed the bank. It was $90,000. $90,000 has been stolen. Now he's running. This is including a lockdown. It's a 15-minute high-speed chase. I want you to watch the breaking news and organize this argument to Chris the guy. I hope you will understand this statement. It's not just for TVs. It's all demand cities. This is the first month of 2019 in June. Thank you for listening. Bye. Ding, ding, ding.